What's going on, guys? Evan here with McGee TV. Freshest to all the YouTube gamers, and I'm really gonna be showing y'all why once again today. Today the All-Star Jordan 9s drop. I literally just woke up, if y'all can't tell. All-Star Jordan 9s drop, aka the City of Flights, and I really been wanting these. You know, I've been looking at them since like I first seen them, so I think we're gonna go ahead and go pick those up today. Now, I've heard a lot of people saying they're sleeping on them, they don't want them. I haven't heard anything of anybody going crazy for these, so I think these are gonna be a pretty easy cop. Down here where I live, usually everyone tries to get their shoes from Foot Locker and Foot Action and stuff. Nobody really goes to Finish Line. So usually when it comes to a sneaker that just came out, I go to Finish Line and I'm able to cop them like it ain't nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to Finish Line and see, can we cop these shoes? But if not, we'll try the other options. But I don't think these should be hard to get at all. So that's what we're gonna do today, man. This is gonna be another one of them vlog / sneaker review type videos. So man, let's get into it. All right, y'all. Getting in the car now. We're about to go ahead and head to this mall real quick. Go ahead and get our Jordans, you know what I'm saying? But I probably gotta stop and get gas first. So, but as y'all can see, man, I got the bootleg Supreme shirt my dad bought me before he almost died. And we got the grill in, you know, I don't wear it a whole lot, but when I do, you know what I'm saying, I gotta shine. And of course, got to have the Raging Bulls on, because we are real sneakerheads around here. These ain't them red suede joints y'all just bought. Those are the real things. But yeah, I'm about to get on this road, get some gas, and then go get our shoes, hopefully. Open. I'm trying to talk quiet, but yeah, I'm trying to get them, bro. Alright, guys, so that was like the easiest cop I've ever made in my whole sneaker getting career. Like, that was super easy. So now I'm pretty much on the way home, getting ready to get me something to eat, and man, we're just gonna go home and get to this little unboxing and review for you guys. So yeah. Alright, guys, so I'm back to the house. We had a successful trip, and I got the shoes right here. Now, as you guys did see, I was at Finish Line. That's where I tried to cop them from. That's where I did cop them from. So I got this nice Finish Line bag here. And we're going to take a look at the shoes. So, I also was able to get me a nice little Scully to go with it. As you guys know, I love wearing Scullys. I got this black and white Chicago Bulls one. Really excited about it. I'm sure you guys will see me wear it on stream, because you guys know I pretty much wear Scullys in the house all the time. But let's get into the shoes. So as you guys know, Jordan Brand has been using this black and gold box for the last couple years. I really don't like it. I feel like it's kind of cheap. But as you guys can see, we did get a size 10 in the shoe. Hopefully you guys can see that. And let's get into it. So, oh, these things are icy. So this is really like my first time taking a look at them in person. I actually didn't even realize all this time that this black was going to be made of like this suede nubuck material. And these things are nice, bro. Like, this is a really, really nice, dope shoe. Now, I usually don't like 9s because they fit. These are glow in the dark. No, they're not. They look like it because these are hitting, it's turning green off the reflection. That was crazy. I thought these were glow in the dark. But yeah, really, really nice shoe. Now, 9s do usually fit kind of big, so I try to stay away from them like I was just saying, but I just couldn't pass up on this pair. So as you guys can see, pretty much an all black and white shoe. These are the All-Star shoes for this year. The whole upper of the shoe is like this suede nubuck material. Really, really, really nice. Reminds me of the material they use for like, actually, these are pretty much straight suede. These aren't even nubuck. This is just really short suede. They feel like the Cool Gray 12s that came out back in 2012. I remember I got those sitting in the room still, and the material feels just like that. So they're pretty much all suede. So they're not a shoe you're gonna want to wear while it's raining outside or anything like that. But dude, these are really, really nice. As you guys can see, it's kind of a reverse of the original 9s. This part's black and then this part's white. So you've got the white. This is like a tumbled leather. It's a really, really nice material. Hopefully you guys can see that. On the laces, they've got this nice little touch. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera in this lighting, but there is like a design on the laces, which is really, really cool. And then you've just kind of got this this white midsole. It's almost like it's white, but it's, I don't know, it's almost like a, I wouldn't really say it's a cream color. It's almost more like a little bit of an off-white compared to the white that the tumbled leather is. Of course, you got your embroidered 23 on the back of the shoe. And this is a look at it from the inside. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you've got this translucent icy white outsole, which is a really, really nice hint. I really, really like this outsole. This outsole is kind of like was the selling point for me. It's got that icy look to it. You know, you've got your black little Jumpman here, and then for some reason we've got these brown hints on the shoe. Like the logo on the back is kind of this brownish, tannish, like khaki color, and as well as the Air Jordan on the tongue is that color. But overall, really nice shoe. I'm really excited and happy that I was able to get this shoe, to be honest with you. It was a nice little journey. I'm glad you guys checked it out. And let's get to the on foot section of this video. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, 9 times out of 10 when I upload, I'm doing 2K videos. I do a lot of 2K gaming videos. I live stream almost every night playing games from 2K to Call of Duty. I play PC games like Fortnite, things like that. Mike, the other half of our channel, does classic game reviews, unboxings, things like that. So make sure you guys hit subscribe and turn on that notification button and join Notification Squad. That way you guys will know every time I go live, upload a video, etc. And now let's get into the on foot section of the video.